In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner with ChatGPT. We'll walk through getting to the site, crafting a clear prompt, and guiding ChatGPT to produce a banner that fits YouTube's layout and your brand style. First, open your browser and go to the ChatGPT website. If you prefer using a search engine, type ChatGPT, then click the official result to land on the homepage. Once you're in, you're ready to start chatting. Now, we'll use ChatGPT to generate a banner concept tailored to your channel. The key is to give it clear, detailed instructions so the design aligns with your brand. Tell ChatGPT the purpose of the image, your channel's niche, the visual style, and the color palette you want. YouTube banners display differently across devices, so it helps to mention recommended dimensions and a safe area to keep important elements visible on all screens. A reliable target is 2560 by 1440 pixels, with a center safe area of about 1546 by 423 pixels for any text or logos. This ensures your title or tagline won't get cut off on mobile or TV. Here's an example you can say to ChatGPT. Create a detailed AI image for a YouTube banner. Channel niche, business and productivity. Style, clean, modern, professional. Colors, navy blue, white, and subtle gold accents. Use a 2560 by 1440 layout with a clear center safe area around 1546 by 423 for text. Prioritize strong contrast and legible space. This gives the model the what, the why, and the how, so it can build a layout that works. Next, ask ChatGPT to generate the image. You can simply follow up with, "Generate this image." If the result needs refinement, be specific about what to improve. For example, you might ask for bolder contrast between the background and the text area, simpler shapes for a cleaner look, or more emphasis on the center safe zone so any future text remains crisp and readable. If the gold accents feel too strong, ask for a subtler tone. If the navy feels dull, request a slightly brighter shade. Iterating with small, clear changes helps you reach a polished design faster. When you're happy, confirm the final layout. Still respects the banner's safe area and that the overall feel matches your channel's tone, professional, modern, and uncluttered. That's it. You've used ChatGPT to plan, design, and fine-tune a YouTube banner that's optimized for every screen and aligned with your brand.